Hi there, my name's Sarah Louise and I'm a singer-songwriter and children's entertainer and music teacher. I absolutely love children and I love helping them become the better version of themselves. Being confident is a really important part of music and singing. So being confident is something that I like to excel in children and also adults. I also love to write music and help children write music because they can then express themselves in poetry and in English, and then it becomes a story and then a song, and I love to help people have that expression for that song. So I'm really excited about this group, Growing Heroes. I think it's going to be absolutely amazing to meet different people and helping them along the way and become very happy with who they are. So in my private life, I like to do running, I like to do sports, lots of different activities like badminton, I love kickboxing, I love Zumba, I love dancing. Anything related to music I really love. But my main passion in life is music and also helping people become the best version of themselves and being happy. So I can't wait to meet you all. I can't wait to enjoy this wonderful group with you all, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care everyone. Bye.